Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to check NVIDIA driver version on your laptop. I'm using Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card. I'm also installed NVIDIA graphics driver. So how to check that? I'm using Windows 11. So right click on your desktop, then select show more options, then go to NVIDIA Control Panel. Okay, and here you can see version of 580.92. That's my currently my driver version. Also you can click here the system information, bottom left corner, open that. Okay, then you can also find out the same one here, driver version 580.92. So in this way you can easily identify which driver version is installed on your laptop. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replacements video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.